Èmi ọmọ Dapo Agége. Èmi ọmọ Dapo Oṣòdì. Dapo tí mo mọ̀. Prince Dapo Abiodun. This is the bushman. We, the youths of Igbo in Ogun State, under the edges of Igbo community youth, ably led by Honorable Solomon Ukweze, supports Prince Dr. Dapo Abiodun for second term 2020.
Bushman. Bushman. Youth!
Action!
Youth!
Action! One good tenor deserves another. Yes, remember the road from Agbara passing towards Busada going to Ato was a death trap earlier. Successive governments have turned deaf ears, even blind eyes toward that area, where many lives have been lost and goods worth millions of dollars have perished, even despite many protests from youths. But since the inception of this administration, there was no protest, but President Dapo Abiodun came and fixed it.
Bushman. Bushman.
That is how he put infrastructures in all the 20 local governments across the Ogun State. Improvements in health sector.
Bushman.
In education.
Bushman.
And even in security. This message was brought to you by Honorable Monday Chukwuji, the special assistant to Prince Dr. Dapo Abiodun on ethnic matters.
Bushman. 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 Bushman.